Hi everyone and welcome back to this channel. Are you an inspiring Etsy entrepreneur brimming with creativity ideas but unsure what to sell? Fret no more, because today we are going to dive into 7 best sellers on Etsy, products that are consistently popular and can form a solid foundation for your shop. Now before we jump in, let's talk about the importance of these products. Now these are items with steady demands year around, offering a reliable base for your Etsy business. They also allow you to experiment and develop your unique style within a proven strategy. So grab your sketchboard, a tablet, unleash your creativity and get ready to find your niche within these evergreen Etsy favorites. Now the first products that sells well on Etsy is handmade jewelries, personalized bracelets, statement necklace, and delicate earrings. Now jewelries is a perennial favorite. You need to explore different styles like clay or a gemstone and cater to a diverse taste. Think about offering a collection for different occasions or incorporating pathstones for personalized touch. The next product that sells well on Etsy is home decor with hearts. Now most people love to personalize their spaces. Think throw pillow with unique prints, hand-printed wall arts depicting local landmarks or nature scenes, or charming decorative signs with inspirational quotes. Consider offering seasonal deco options as well. So if you want to start your Etsy shop, you have to consider these things. You have to create wall arts. Now digital downloads offers a great flexibility, like offering a floral planner. You can create different variation of the same design, like offering a floral planner, sticker sets in multiple colors options. This allows you to cater for a wide range of customers' preference without having to manage a large inventory of physical products. Now here is a pro tip. Now consider offering bundle deals, like selling a set of printable wall art design at a discounted price. Now the next product that sells well on Etsy is vintage treasures. You have a knack for finding unique vintage items from clothing and accessories to home decor pieces. Vintage finds have a devoted following on Etsy. Ensure your vintage items are in good condition, accurately described and highlighting any unique features or historical behind the pieces. Consider offering a curated collection with specific theme, like vintage jewelries from particular areas. Great products are just first step. Here are some additional tips for long-term Etsy success. Now you need to create high quality photos. Showcase your product with professional looking photos that capture their details and beauty. Consider using natural lights at different angles to showcase your creation. Now, you need also a compelling description. Don't underestimate the power of words. Use clear, concise, and engaging description that highlights your product's features and benefits. We have also keyword research, identifying relevant keywords that potentially customers might use to search for your products and incorporate them strategically throughout your listings. Now, customer service is key. You need to respond promptly to inquiries, address any issues professionally. And another tip is that you need to build a strong, positive relationship with customers. There you have it. We have explored 7 evergreen products categories that can thrive well on Etsy shop. Remember, success takes time, learning, and dedication. But with the right product beautiful presentation, and excellent customer service, you can turn your creativity passion into a thriving Etsy business. So, what Etsy shop are you dreaming of opening? Share your ideas in the comment section below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Etsy videos to come. See you in the next video. God bless you. Bye.